how to share multiple contacts at once on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to share multiple contacts from your iPhone without changing your Apple ID or Google account. So first things first, open up your phone app and then go to your contacts. Now you'll need to use your two fingers to select multiple contacts. So just tap with two fingers and then drag it down and your contacts will be selected. Now do it for all the contacts, and once you have selected all the contacts, just long press on one of the contacts and you will find the share option. Just tap on share and then you can select the fields that you want to share and then hit done on the top right. Now here you can see AirDrop, messages, mail, and even Gmail, Viber. You can use any of the apps to share all of your contacts at once. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.